If you've ever edited one photo in Lightroom and wished you could apply the same look to the rest of your images, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy settings in Lightroom on PC using both the keyboard shortcut method and the button method. This is a huge time saver when you want consistent colors, exposure, contrast, and style across multiple photos. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Lightroom or Adobe Lightroom Classic on your PC. The process is very similar in both versions, and the steps are simple once you know where to look. Start by selecting the photo that already has the edits you want to copy. This is your edited photo, and it's the one Lightroom will use as the source for the settings. Now, if you want the fastest method, click on that edited photo and press Ctrl C on your keyboard. That copies the settings from the selected image. After that, choose the other photo or photos you want to apply those same edits to. You can select one image or multiple images at once if you want to copy the same look across a group. Once your target photos are selected, press Ctrl V. Lightroom will paste the copied settings onto those photos, and your edits will be applied instantly. That shortcut method is great when you want speed, but there's also a button method if you prefer using the interface. To do that, select the edited photo first, then look for the copy button in Lightroom. Click Copy, and a settings window will appear. This is where you can choose exactly which adjustments you want to copy. For example, you may want to copy exposure, contrast, color, tone curve, sharpening, or other edit settings while leaving certain things out. This is especially useful if you do not want every single adjustment transferred. After choosing your settings, click Copy to confirm. Then select the photo or photos you want to paste those settings onto. Once they're selected, click Paste. Lightroom will apply the copied settings to the chosen images, and you'll see the same editing style transferred over. The best part is that both methods are easy to remember. If you want the quickest workflow, use Ctrl C and Ctrl V. If you want more control over exactly what gets transferred, use the copy and paste buttons. Either way, you can save a lot of time when editing large batches of photos. And that's how to copy settings in Lightroom on PC. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lightroom tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.